So hello everyone, I'm going to present you about the project that we have recently made, like a mobile app, which is for the Suresh Gyan University. And I am Sameer Srinath, a BTech 4th SEM with SID 2347454. So moving next to our slides, what are the title of the project? Like University Mobile App Simplifying Access to University Portal, and it is a subject like Java Lab, and it is going to be submitted to Miss Neni ma'am. So moving next. So the first thing that we are going to understand about the project, like this project aim to create a mobile application that embed the Suresh Gyanva University website, that is sso.gyanvihar.org, for easy access on mobile devices. So what will be the basically problem statement of the project? So the problem statement of the project is like designing and developing application that will be like useful for the Suresh Gyanva University students, that might be a students or that may be the teachers or the faculty or the staff members that are using the mobile app. So the goal is to bridge the gap between the university's online resources and the mobile users by offering a dedicated app. Like if you are just trying to open the app via the browser, or you are using the computer app Chrome and Edge, and if you will get the same app on your mobile phone, that will be easily accessible. So it will be like increasing the more functionality through the mobile apps. So the solution is by just integrating the web view integration. The app will embed like Suresh Gyanva University, the website, using a web view. We'll be discussing the further how we are going to achieve that, and a simplified interface. We'll get a simplified interface, like a clean full screen design with no browser clutter. Like if you're using the Chrome, someone is using the Firefox, and many people can use the so many browsers to open the app. Why not to make a app that will be accessible to everyone, and it will be downloadable from any social media platform or any play stores, and you can just download into your phone and use it for your academic purpose. So dedicated access point, same thing. User can launch the app from their home screen by passing the need of any browser or type URL. Like you will open the URL or browser, or you will type the sso.gyanvihar every time you open the app, and every time you need to log into the site. But using a mobile app, you don't have to log in every time when you open the app. And next thing, future ready design. The app foundation will allow the potential upgrade, such as the push notification or the offline content catching. Suppose you are just having a weekly test and having some functionality that you can't get notification from the website. But if you are just getting a dedicated mobile app, you will be getting whatever update just to your mobile phone. And we are using mobile phones rather than any website or any web portal every time. You don't have to open the your computer, PC, or the browser. So this is the proposed solution. And to bring this project to life, I'll use the following tools and technologies that I'm going to discuss further. So the first tool that I will be using, like Android Studio. So Android Studio is not a new technology. It was launched in 2013 by the Google. As you all know that Android is owned by Google, and it is a powerful, free, and most important, open source tool designed to simplify building and testing and developing apps for Android devices. Any devices that Android phone, whether phone and Android TV also, everything is designed. You can design on the Android Studio. So it support the coding in Java, Kotlin, and include the features like the visual layout editor. You can just edit your things, and how your UI of the app is going to look. You can edit in that. So for this project, Android Studio will be the best app, and I think it's the only app to just do that. Just because to open the Android APK file, you need that, and it's a robust ecosystem. Like it is a secure, and you most of the things are like pre-built. You just have to use it for your own purpose. So that will be like user-friendly application. So the next technology that I'll be using, the web view of that built-in Android component that allow apps to display the web content directly. If I'm just going to use sso.gyanvihar.org, and that will be like a mini browser, and that will render all the details taken from that URL, and then it will render it as a app, and it will be like closed app. You can't open any other system, and you can't open any other tabs in that browser, and that will be like an app, but it will be online, that like basically like a mini web browser that is restricted to only one site, and it supports the features like JavaScript execution and the navigation in ensuring the portal function as needed. uh, Whatever you need, you can just implement that. So WebView is like simplicity and flexibility make it perfect for delivering a browser-free mobile experience. Like you don't need any browser, just open the app and you will be accessing the site that we have predefined, and you can open that there. So the next technology that I'll be using is XML. It is extensible markup language that is a lightweight, just like a HTML, but it's not for the website, but it is similar to that, like markup language. So text-based format used to structure data and design layout in the Android app. That is basically used in the Android Studio, but for a different purpose. So in this project, XML will be used to create the app's layout, the layout which I'm going to create the app, or how the user is going to like user means students and the teachers and the faculty are going to use that app using a basic interface that is basically on the sso.gyanware.org also. That is a basic interface, as we all know that. So we are going to use that. So it's a human readable syntax, and compatibility with Android resources system allow for easy customization and maintenance. It's having the user interface like HTML, Python, and other languages, but Python is a programming language, it's a markup language. So don't get confused with that. So XML's role ensure the app's interface is clean, responsive, and visually aligned with the project goal. Like if a student is assessing, it is first time or rather it's a multiple time. It is relevant to the user. So Android Illuminator. So emulator is like something that if you are like writing code on your Android Studio, you can just directly view that on your phone using the Android emulator, and you have to just turn on the USB debugging from the developer mode of your smartphone, and live you can see the things that is going on your system just to your mobile phone. So it's a basic thing, and screen sizes and OS version providing and you can also just create a like a virtual device on your Android Studio. You must try that to just get familiar with. So it's a basic tool. There you can just play with different mobile screen shapes, size, and different variety of phones, Android phones in Android Studio. So just check your app is working or not. So this is basically for checking whether my app is working right or wrong, like in every environment. Like if a phone size is small, then the elements are getting stacked on or not. So this is for that. So you can check it. So Git is basically a thing that we are going to use for the version control. So the version control is basically a kind of thing if you are just adding features and adding the different changes in different time frame, but you want to just track the changes. Like if you want to track what date I have added a button on, you want to reverse that change, you can simply do that with the Git. So Git is like open source also, and it works offline, and if you are just using the GitHub with that, so we will get it online. So it connect with the GitHub, and we have most famous the GitHub is we are going to use. So it's like increase the reliability and the simplicity, and make it essential for maintaining a clean organized development process. So we'll be doing all these things to in the Android Studio just to make our project live, and the things that is going to happen just after the project, like user can just directly get to the app and use open Gyan site and access the resources, online study material, and the other things without getting to the any other browser, or without getting to the any other resources or any other social media sites. So just open the app and use the app. So that was a simple project. So hope you got understanding about the project. So thank you.